Constitutional Crusader out here on Livernois in Troy, Michigan. Out here with Welcome to This World Media and his wife at the Assembly of God Church. We're going to exercise our first while they exercise theirs. Tad bit nipply. Depends on how they come out.
Yes, sir.
They come out all rude and high and mighty, silent treatment.
Okay.
If they come out politely questioning what we're doing,
Tell them.
yeah, we could tell them like we're exercising our first just like you're exercising your first.
Right. What are you guys doing?
Recording.
Recording what though? Is this like a surveillance or something?
Surveillance?
I don't
No,
know.
we're not cops.
I know, but I mean, is this for like the church?
Nope.
Beautiful morning. That's the look. You guys can come in if you like.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you. He said we could come in if we want.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
That looks like a Tim's Hortons coffee. Yeah. Nice and bright white. Nope, recording. Recording. It's always the first thing. Survey? There's welcome to this world media. She's right there holding down the corner. Sunday fun day.
Hi guys. Just out of curiosity, what are you doing?
I'm just doing some recording.
Okay. What is that you want to do with it? Well, it's not your business, it's not recording other people, is it?
Sure it is.
Depends what you do with it.
Not really.
It is.
I can take video wherever I want.
You're allowed to take video. Can I ask, do you care to share why, or
I just like to record
just people walking into the church?
whoever, whatever I can see from public. Life as it happens. Just probably,
Alright, well, you have a let's stay. And you too, sir. You have a blessed day.
Absolutely. I'll tell you this much. We're doing the same thing you're doing. Do you know what that is?
No idea.
Exercising our First Amendment.
Alright, that's cool.
There's 5 elements to the First Amendment. Do you know all the elements?
No, I do not.
Do you know the 2 that are being exercised right now?
Probably not.
Really?
Yeah, probably not.
Well, you're speaking, so that's freedom of speech. I'm recording, so
Freedom of
that's
press.
freedom of the press.
Well, God bless you guys. We just
Yeah.
had to
And
ask.
you guys are also exercising another element of the First Amendment. You know what that is?
No, you can tell me.
Freedom of religion.
Uh-huh.
Right?
God bless you guys.
So this is all about teaching people about their rights and getting them thinking about them and educating themselves further on them. So a lot of people have no clue what their rights are.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing.
Well, my only concern is what you can do with it, because we have some people that come to church that you're not allowed to put on social media
What do you mean?
for their security. No, that's true. That is true. I
If
think
they can be seen from,
or something.
if they can be seen from public, they can be recorded and posted
they
wherever we
cannot-
want.
we have children that cannot be posted on social media.
That's not true.
That's not true.
It is true.
No, it's not.
It is true.
It's not.
No, it is absolutely true.
It's not. If we can see it from public, we can record it. We can post it wherever we want to post it, and there's no legal means to stop us
It's
from
news.
doing
I'm
so.
disseminating to the public, so it's, First Amendment rights, same as the right to religion, same as right to free speech, same as right to petition your government if you're pissed off about it or something. It's all the same.
Have a great day.
You too.
Yeah.
Have a good day, sir.
You too.
People can't be recorded. Where does he get that foolish idea? I mean, at least he stayed, respectful and polite, but to try and tell us there's people that can't be recorded, that's just ludicrous.
Just a little ignorant.
Yeah.
We'll learn after the day.
Now he's probably going to call the police and whine about it.
I don't know. That one bigger guy seemed to understand pretty well, so maybe he'll calm him down.
Well, hopefully. It's a good thing we're not zooming in on individual faces.
Right. And then he, I'll blur out that kid's face if he was concerned about that, but I haven't even seen any kids here.
Yeah, I've seen some babies getting carried in, and just that one toddler being walked in.
Yeah, that got came from that one.
Yeah.
And he was actually, I think they were with the bigger guy.
He seemed like he was getting angry towards the end there.
Yeah.
And then he just caught himself and said, "Have a nice day, guys," and walked away.
Thank you for walking me in. I'm old now.
Everybody gets there, right?
True gentleman.
There you go. Okay, it's 10.
Okay, stop this one and go on to the next one. Because the next one's at, let's see, 10:30. So we go there now. We still have 20 minutes before it starts.
Yeah. Let's wait for this last guy to go in and we'll take off. He got a big cup of Joe. Have a blessed day, man.
Overall, it seemed to be very pleasant here.
Yeah, not too bad.
One sounded like a British guy or something.
Yeah, he did sound British.
Yeah, he wasn't too sure on our U.S. constitutional laws here.
Yeah, that was kind of amusing,
It was a fun little interaction.
saying that there's certain people that can't be recorded. Oh, but they can if I can see them.
Yeah. And if you're in some kind of witness protection or something, you got to be a lot more careful, I think.
Right. They need to be wearing a mask.
Yeah, for sure. All
All right, and we're out of here, y'all. Overall, they did good. Cops.
Oh, really?
They did? Okay. That's what I think of Troy PD. And now he's just sitting there. And away he goes.
Going back to the cop shop.
Probably.